Do you ever feel like there's just not enough time in the day to get everything done? Or maybe you're constantly bouncing between tasks, feeling overwhelmed? Well, what if I told you that a simple shift in how you schedule your day could change everything? Today, I'm going to show you how to create a daily schedule that balances work, personal life, and rest, so you can make the most of every single day. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to structure your day to maximize productivity and avoid burnout, using two powerful methods, time blocking and the Pomodoro Technique. Hi, and welcome to The Dive with Phil. Here, we focus on practical tips and strategies to help you take control of your time and reach your goals. If you want to stay focused, get more done, and live a more balanced life, hit that subscribe button and join our community. Now, let's talk about why creating a daily schedule is so crucial. Think about it. If you don't know what your priorities are or when you're going to tackle them, you end up wasting precious time and energy. That's where a daily schedule comes in. A good daily schedule isn't just about fitting everything into your day. It's about creating a plan that allows you to focus on your most important tasks while still leaving room for personal time and rest. Let's dive into the first method, time blocking. Time blocking is where you set aside specific blocks of time for different tasks or activities. This helps you avoid multitasking and keeps you focused on one thing at a time. Here's how it works. Identify your tasks. Start by writing down all the tasks you need to get done. Work, chores, errands, self-care, everything. Group similar tasks together. For example, you can group work tasks like meetings, emails, and project work into one block and personal tasks like exercise or reading into another. Assign time blocks. Next, assign specific time blocks for each activity. Be realistic with the time needed and avoid overscheduling. I recommend giving yourself at least 30 minutes to 1 hour per task, depending on its complexity. Now, let's move on to the Pomodoro Technique, which is great for maintaining focus and preventing burnout. If you ever feel like your concentration starts to fade after a while, this method is a game changer. The Pomodoro Technique is simple. You work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. After 4 rounds of 25-minute work sessions, you take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. This keeps your brain fresh and helps you stay productive for longer. Here's how you can use it. Set a timer. Start by setting a timer for 25 minutes. Work intensely. Focus on a single task during that time. No distractions, no checking your phone. Take a break. Once the timer goes off, take a 5-minute break to recharge, stretch, grab a drink, or just breathe. Repeat. After 4 Pomodoros work sessions, reward yourself with a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. This technique is perfect if you struggle with staying focused or if you find yourself getting tired quickly. By working in short bursts, you can maintain energy throughout the day. Now that we've covered time blocking and the Pomodoro Technique, let's talk about how to balance everything: work, personal life, and rest. A simple schedule doesn't just help you be productive, it also ensures that you're not overworking yourself. When you plan your day, make sure to include rest and personal time. This is crucial for maintaining your mental health and preventing burnout. So, how do you balance it all? Here's what I recommend. Prioritize your time blocks. Give yourself dedicated time for work, but also ensure you have blocks for self-care, exercise, hobbies, or family time. Don't skip breaks. Incorporate the Pomodoro breaks, and remember to take your longer breaks to recharge. Be flexible, life happens, and your schedule might need to shift. It's okay if things don't go exactly as planned. What matters is you stay on track with your priorities. Everyone's schedule looks different, so it's important to customize this approach to fit your life. The beauty of both time blocking and Pomodoro is that they're adaptable. Start by experimenting. Pick a day and try time blocking and using Pomodoros. See how it feels. Adjust the time blocks, breaks, or tasks to find what works best for you. Remember, the goal isn't to fill every minute of your day. The goal is to stay focused, be productive when you need to be, and also give yourself time to rest and recharge. Now it's your turn. How will you structure your day using time blocking or the Pomodoro Technique? Let me know in the comments below. What's the first task you're going to tackle? And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more productivity tips and self-improvement hacks. I'm excited to hear how these methods work for you. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.